thought I'd just show you this. This is an automatic card shuffler. I brought it from Argos, only £10, but after 1 or 2 goes it just stopped working. You're supposed to press the lever down and it's supposed to shuffle the card. That's what you do, you put half the cards on one side, half on the other. You press the lever down and it's supposed to shuffle them down into this tray. But absolute rubbish. I thought I'll just have a look at it inside because it might be something simple. Right, it's just 4 screws onto the bottom. That's it, it's just the 4 screws that hold this on. You look there, it just looks flimsy. I'll just put the batteries back in. So just put them screws to one side. Yeah, you got your, if you look there, you can see how all that's all bent up because it's only thin. Yeah, if you look down on there, it's just that them 2 contacts there, because that's too thin, it isn't making contact on there. So this really needs to be a lot stiffer. You see it there, how flimsy it is. Just have a look what I can do with that. I'm just going to take this plate off. See, there's a groove there. I'm not sure whether that should be there for hold it or is it melted in. I'm not really sure on that. Yeah, if you look at it there, the spring, it's far too strong, that spring is, for that little bit of plastic. Just thinking if by putting a bend in that, bring that back on there. What I've decided to do, just decided hot glue that bottom piece in place. It should keep it all a bit stiffer then. So I don't like that dry. And I'm doing it this front end because that keeps bending down as well, so just put a knot there just to keep it up. Just put some hot glue in there as well, so that'll stop that from going down, if you know what I mean. It looks a bit of a bodge, but it doesn't matter as long as it does the trick. So I'm just filling out that glue now, and that should keep it all stiff then. That should solve it. That's that all set. So just putting the lever back on now, putting the screw in, just go and test it. that's working a hell of a lot better. The piece there might need attention later on, because it looks like if it has melted it will melt all the way through, so just need something across there, a matchstick or something, but see how that goes with that. But it's working a hell of a lot better now. Just putting it back together now. So 2 screws at the bottom, the 2 screws in the battery compartment. And that's it, all done. Hope it's helped you out anyway if you have got one of these, and probably most of them have sort of broke, if you know what I mean. So anyway, any questions please ask in the comments below. Hope you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.